Hello everybody! I knew the last episode, but I don't know this one, so deal with it. Current plan is to empty my inventory and make some more of these guys. What do we got here? Like 4's worth. Honey Hunter, make me some babies, Honey Hunter. I'm gonna put a port collector to... I did not. I did. Well, it's because they're invisible. I think I've just ruined it. Are they? They're automatically feral at nighttime, aren't they? They are automatically feral at nighttime. Eat. Eat, you bloody buttholes. Alright, how many have I got in here? 5? Just one more. And you know what? Things are fine. They're absolutely fine. And I am not gonna make tar in my own backyard. I am just gonna destroy you. Alright, thanks honey. Goodbye. I get more honey if I want. So that's growing. That's growing. People are calling. I'm sorry, but can you get 10 tabby slimes? Yes. Yes, I can. Ooh, it's getting a little late, though. Is there enough time for me to sleep till morning? Maybe barely. And if not, then oh well. Not much point trying to do it anyway. They might have got 5 hours. We got till 11 o'clock. Hi ho, it's off to work we go. We're gonna collect tabby plorts. I meant the slimes. Oh, where are the slimes? And none. You know, I think that's the 3rd gold I've seen. Yoop. Yep. You. More. Alright, keep on going. Keep on going. Do 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 do. Take you. And you. You. I'm up to 6. Ooh. Oh. 7? 7, where are you? 7. Alright, 7's finally in the bag. Are there any tabbies in here? I think so. Maybe if I run through just fast enough. I did see the crate, and I'm barely running and jumping and doing stuff as is. Aha, there are. For me to throw somewhere. Ah. Ah. Alright, I've got the 10. That's how I came down. Do this. We should be able to make it. I think. Yes. Doop. Doop, doop. Huh. Where does that go? I have to check that out next time. Oh, come on. And then I've got the rock plorts at home. Boom. There's more than I needed. But it's okay. Do. And 2 hours to spare. Nice. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with all this food now. I could have really used it for that gold one. Stony hens, carrots. You know what? You all get free range. And carrots? Join the desiccating pile. It's lovely. How are prices today? Are they finally going up? They've stabilized, and this is finally going up. Well, let's hope things start going the other way, because I could really use the help. 30 Q berries. 30 Q berries. They seem happy. Alright, let's see if we can do the auto feeder. Thank you. There are 6 in here. And we'll take care of these. Well, you know, I guess this isn't so bad after all. In case I ever need to move the pink phosphorus, I've already got something, you know, like right here. So we're gonna do the plort collector first. Because, yeah. Come on. I know it's a lot, but you gotta, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Oh. See, they couldn't even see the food. It was under, it was under the food. It was covering the food. You know what I meant. Quit asking me questions. So I need to wait until tomorrow to see if this stuff continues to go up. That's right, Hunter Plort. That's right, you do go up. Anyway, the aesthetics of our chickens. Who is calling me now? Alright, Bob. Yes, chickens. Roostro. 2 of these bad boys. Yep, you too. Have I never sucked up a roostro before? Are you kidding? You're serious?